These include Introduction to Chemistry, in which we will review what we learned in primary school and what the study of chemistry involves. Simple classification of substances will also be looked into, in which different methods of separation will be discussed. Acids and bases is another topic which will be tackled. Air and combustion will be discussed. Finally, the topic on water and hydrogen will conclude our Form 1 lessons.
Click to view the video on the role of chemistry in the society. Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of matter, its composition, its properties, and the changes that it undergoes in composition as well as in energy during various processes. It is further divided into different branches depending upon specialized fields of study. Chemistry concerns itself with matter and materials of the universe, thus playing a very significant role in almost all walks of life. Modern daily life involves the use of many chemical products and many chemical changes, although we are unaware of them. Major contributions of chemistry to the different walks of life in modern world are in 1. Medicine is important in the eradication of a number of diseases, and major contributions to improving human health have been made by modern chemical discoveries. 2. Industry. Chemistry plays an important role in most industrial processes. Agriculture. Chemistry is a significant contributor towards securing enough food grains and protecting crops. 4. Lifestyles. In every walk of life, chemistry has been the pioneer contributor towards enabling the comfort, convenience, and pleasures of man. Chemistry has helped us in getting a number of amenities. Some examples are domestic requirements such as better fabrics, soaps, shampoos, cosmetics, dyes, oils, flavoring essences, and paper, air conditioning, refrigeration, and domestic gadgets. To keep people cool and food fresh in all seasons, we make use of air conditioning. 5. Energy resources. The energy resources of the world are mainly petroleum, coal, wood, and nuclear fuels. To conserve the fast depleting reserves of coal and petroleum, attempts are being made by chemists to utilize alternate energy fuels. Nuclear energy, solar energy, and ocean energy, which may provide inexhaustible sources, are being studied under chemistry for future energy needs. Dark side of chemistry. Chemistry has also been misused by unscrupulous people, endangering the society. It has given the menace of harmful drugs and their bulk processing, like cocaine and brown sugar, that cripple the society. Chemistry has also developed explosives and other deadly chemical weapons of destruction, the atomic and hydrogen bombs. Terrorist and aggressive societies have used this with devastating effects.